Gabby here with Radiant Art Inspirations. If you're new, this channel is all about easy, fun, and fast face paint tutorials every single week. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Woo, woo. Get your paints out, get your brushes out, cause we about to party! In today's design, we're gonna do a super fast cheek dolphin. Now, when I first started face painting, I found dolphins honestly pretty intimidating because I was like, how do you get the shaping right and those lips? And I'm so nervous, I'm just gonna draw a fish instead. And kids noticed when it wasn't a dolphin and it was actually a fish. So we're gonna show you a very fast, easy, and confident way to create the most perfect dolphins with also adding a little bit of stencils and glitter to really make your design pop. Let's get started.
These are the supplies that we are using today. So first, with your 3/4 inch flat brush, you're going to load it up with a split cake. The one that we're using is called Sea Wave by Artie Cakes, which is by Silly Farm, to create this awkward looking S-shapey thing, but I promise it will look a lot better if you just keep going. Then you gotta add the underbelly for your dolphin, so load a filbert shaper or a number 2 or number 4 brush in white or the end of the split cake that you were using. Now, to make this dolphin a little more understandable, with a small angle brush or a flat brush, you're going to draw a nose and then a back fin on the forehead. Don't forget to add beautiful glitter, this is clown glitter, which is bomb. And then with the same brush, you're going to add a top fin and a bottom fin, making sure that the split cake, the dark side, is facing the nose. And with that brush, just use the very tip of the darkest side of your split cake to outline your dolphin. This will make your outlining time a lot faster instead of loading up another paintbrush to outline. So this step is optional, or if you have time, but it's not mandatory. Then load with black to create this cute little eye or any kind of eye you want. Now we're using this beautiful aloha looking stencil from Silly Farm to add to the bottom and to the top of this dolphin. The secret to creating beautiful stencils is when you apply glitter, do not remove the stencil. This way the glitter stays only on the wet paint instead of the entire face. And if you like, you can also add swirls to your design, but this is also not necessary. Here we're adding about 3 on the forehead and then 2 on the underbelly to give it kind of like an oceany, watery wave, but it's up to you. You don't have to do this. Then do not forget to highlight your dolphin to just really make it pop. And lastly, you cannot forget the glitter. Here we're using Aloha by Vivid, so I think you absolutely have to use Aloha glitter because we're using Aloha leaves or flowers. So it's like a win-win situation. And you're done with this design, but now we're going to show it on the practice board.
If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to get your brushes out, paints to party.
So now we're going to do the design on the practice board. Here we are using the Sea Wave Artie Cake by Malena's collection, which is honestly a really beautiful combo of bluish colors. Now we're doing the underbelly in a nice thinner brush to make him nice and fat, like he just had lunch or something. I don't know what dolphins eat, like kale and stuff. And then with a smaller angle brush or a smaller flat brush, you're going to draw the nose and the 2 little back fins. There are multiple ways on how to do back fins, so whichever one you like best, but this one's just really easy and really fast. Then you're going to do a top fin and a bottom fin. When you do the bottom fin, you can always overlap it over the belly just to give it more depth. And then with the tip of your angle brush, the one that has the darkest split cake on the end, you can outline the underbelly and then do the rest of the outlining with a number 2 brush. But again, like I said, it's not necessary. You don't have to outline it if you don't have the time, and it'll still look great. but this is obviously like an extra touch you can do to just give it that wow factor and make it look awesome. So once you're done outlining that bad boy, then you're going to add a cute little eyeball and some eyelashes. You can also add cute little cheeks, but we didn't do. And then you're going to do this beautiful flowery stencil on your dolphin. I know dolphins are not land animals, but these flowers look great. Okay, then with a number 2 or number 4 brush, you can add some beautiful teardrops around your design. But if you don't feel comfortable doing teardrops, then luckily for this design, you do not have to do it, and it still looks great. Lastly, don't forget to highlight your dolphin to just finish it up and make it look awesome.
Quick story time with a good moral at the end. Pretty much, fast forward to the story. A while back, this artist accused me of stealing what she does on her YouTube channel. And I have a very creative team, and we throw ideas at each other of great ways to make this channel better every single week with lighting, ideas, all that great stuff, right? Team, we do it together. Anyways, I told her, I was like, dude, I don't take anything that is yours. I don't even look at your work, nor do I want to take it. Like, for what? I don't think.
Yes, I'm going to take it and make it mine.
Yeah, we're not crazy. We're not gonna think that thing. Anyways, this channel is for you. It is for you, not me, not my team, but we make these videos to teach you how to be the best face painter you can be, to make you happy, to make you laugh every once in a while, and just because. Pretty much, if you don't make a YouTube channel, or if you ever use any of our designs, please go ahead. Like, that's why we make and what we do. So you never have to give us credit. You don't have to be like, oh, yes, thank you, Gabby. I mean, that would be nice, but who cares? I don't. It's for you, not for us. So take this quick story with a good moral is do what you want with this channel, have a good time, and eat your vegetables. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.